What do we mean by a multiple of a negative number? Let's think of a way of working out 3 lots of negative 100. Imagine 2 people need to borrow some money to buy a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Dinda wants to buy a t-shirt that costs 100 Rand. Nicole wants to buy the jeans that cost 300 Rand. This means that Dinda owes 100 Rand and Nicole owes 300 Rand. Let's look at this in terms of bank notes. When you look at it this way, you can clearly see Nicole owes 3 times as much as Dinda. We can look at this using a number line. Dinda owes 100 Rand. This is represented on the number line by negative 100. Nicole owes 300 Rand. This is represented on the number line by negative 300. In steps of 100, Dinda's debt is 1 step and Nicole's debt is 3 steps. This shows that 3 lots of negative 100 is negative 300. In other words, 3 times negative 100 is equal to negative 300. A positive number multiplied by a negative number gives a negative answer.